Okay, hello everybody. This is Mehdi Fatmi with you, and today I will be going through Coursera Google IT Program Operating System. This is the course 3, and we're going to be covering right now week 3. So to repeat that again, we're on the Google IT Support Coursera certification, and we're on course 3 and on week 3. So let me just check if this is recording. Okay, to jump right in. So you'll want to obviously go to course 3 and head down to week 3, and you'll come all the way down to graded assessments. So this one is locked right now because you have to complete the first one. Okay, so of course do that. I understand when this blue thing comes up, you can click it. So this lab is software packages and file archives on Windows. So these are pretty straightforward. You click Start Lab and you just follow the directions and try your best to understand what is going on. What are you doing? Okay, Start Lab, click I am not a robot. I'm gonna try to go through this as fast as possible. Since it's a video, you can always pause and go back and see what I'm doing, but I don't want to give you a 15-minute video, so I'll just try my best to do this fast. Okay, so you'll learn how to install and remove software in the Windows. What you'll do, it'll tell you what you're gonna do, but we're already gonna go through them one by one. So it says Start Lab. Moving on. So here's the option. So we have Windows. So to connect to the remote desktop, you search in the search bar, like I just did, remote desktop. It'll pop up. And then you want to make sure you have the username as student. If you want to fix that, you click show options and then you click here student. Just explaining that to you. And for the IP address, you need to copy that. You click that button right there. Go here, Control V, or just paste it. Username not specified, you want to go fix that. Student. Okay, connect. Okay, after that it will ask you for a password. You want to copy that password and paste it here. Okay. Yes. So now it's just connecting you to the remote desktop. And now you're in. You can close this while it's setting up and read what you have to do. So that's for Mac OS. You want to skip that. Skip all of that. That is for Chrome. You want to skip that. This is for Linux. You want to skip that. Okay. So simply what is this saying right here? This is part of the lab, I guess. This is going to pop up. All I did is I just exit out and get to working on what the lab is. Okay. Okay. Install and uninstall software using Windows GUI. First, you'll install the Atom text editor using Google Chrome Visit. So what they want you to do, they want you to actually copy this link and go to your Windows, click on Google Chrome, double click it. Here you want to paste the link you just got. What they want you to do, they want you to download this. So right here, click download. All that downloads, you want to go see what else it wants you to do. So next, once you have downloaded the file, open your downloads folder under C users students downloads. You see the installer called Atom. Double click the executable and the process should begin. Okay. So now we have it downloaded. What it wants you to do is find it in the folder. So here you could search a folder, or you don't have to search that up. It didn't work. You could click on this folder right here in between the Chrome and the internet. once you're here, you want to go to downloads. So we were just here. Click down to downloads and double click this one. You want to click run. Of course, I'm going a bit fast. It'll be hard to keep up with this video and your work, so you can slow it down or pause it and go back. That's why it's a video. Okay, so if you have this screen, you're on the right path. So these are some of the easiest graded assignments because they give you the answers. They just tell you what to do. Okay, while we're waiting for that, you want to see what you have to do next. You won't need to use Atom during this lab, so feel free to close the program. Okay, so once it's up and downloaded, you should be all set. I should be even all set right now. Okay, not yet. It didn't open. So we have to wait for it to be installed. I hope the screen recorder is also connected to the remote desktop. I am not sure, but if it's not, I hope that me just speaking will do enough to explain it. Okay, so it looks like we got it now. So now we should check. And we got green. Okay, now extracting using 7-zip. 7-zip is a super useful program for working with archive or zip files, and it's already been installed on your system. So here you want to follow these steps. You want to go to users, quick lab, so you could just exit all of these now. Here have to go to, okay, I need to do that again. Just slow it down. So you go to this PC, you go to this local disk, you go to users, and you go to Quickie Labs, and then you go to downloads. Okay, so this is what you have to read. This folder contains a archive called example.tar. You don't have permission to extract files in this tar files current folder, so click and drag the file to the desktop. After moving the file, you'll be promoted to confirm the move. Click continue to finish the move, then you can use it to extract the contents of the archive by right-clicking example.tar, hovering over 7-zip and clicking extract. Okay, so what it's basically saying is that we have to move this example.tar to the desktop. You click continue. After it's there, you right click it, you click 7-zip, and you do extract files. Hold on, I'm just going to double check this. I'm not sure what it... Yeah, you click... I'm clicking extract here. See, I think I would have messed up there. So you click extract here. Okay, so it looks like that worked. Afterwards, you'll see the contents of the tar folder on the desktop alongside with the archive. Okay, after following those steps, you should be all set. Okay, good. Now you perform the other half of the process, bundling multiple files into a zip archive. Navigate to C, uses Quickie Labs documents, and find the 3 files named Earth, Mercury, Venus. Okay. Okay, so let's go there first. So, like we said, you go to this PC, local disk, users, Quickie Labs, and they said documents. And here they are, Earth, Mercury, Venus. Now you'll build multiple files into a zip archive using PowerShell. Open PowerShell and navigate to this folder. So search the Start menu for PowerShell, right-click and select Run as Administrator. Okay. So now it wants to use PowerShell. We learned this in the week 1 or week 2 of course 3. So PowerShell, here you want to right click it first, don't just double click it, because you have to run this as administrator or it won't work. This is a big step. Just like with the week 1 and week 2, if you don't run it as administrator, it won't work. Click yes. Okay, after you have that open, basically you are copying and putting in the information. Here you're gonna put it in. You might have to double click, you might have to right click, whatever your computer is telling you to do. And I forgot a step. After you put it in, you click enter. Okay. And now here's the tools. And the tool is to put Earth, Mercury, and Venus in a zip file, or combine them, or compress them. Okay, and I think it just did it. Let's check our progress. And we got it. Okay, install and uninstall software using Microsoft CLI. Installing VLC. There are alternatives to manual downloading and running installers when you need to install or manage programs on Windows. Yes. Okay, so it looks like we're doing this again. We're going to be using PowerShell again. Hopefully you can see the screen. We're going to be using PowerShell again, and we're going to be implementing the commands that they give us. So what I just did, I click clear. Okay. So now this is just getting every single command that they give you and putting it into the remote desktop tool, into the PowerShell. So using Chocolate to install VLC. Okay, and here's a question that just popped up. Would you like it to download? And here, it gives you the answer right here. Yes. So you do want that to happen. Like you see, it says right here, hopefully you can see, would you like package management to automatically download and install? I do not know how to pronounce that. I don't want to keep messing it up. But you want it to install. So you click Y and you click enter. After that, you keep on going using the commands. So if you want to know what these commands are doing, you can just read things. As it says, you are installing VLC. That's what you have to know, and the command is right there. Okay, moving on. Do you want it to download, install? Yes. See, it's working right there. Okay. And now we're gonna get the package. We're gonna do that by this command. Enter. Okay, and check your progress. Good. So now you're going to uninstall GIMP. So uninstalling. So it looks like it's working already. You will have to accept it by saying yes. If you don't say yes, this stuff will not work. So you see right here what's going on. You have to be interactive with this one. Looks like it did not want me to click yes or no, but okay, there we go. And you enter the final command and check your progress. And looks like we got it. And that is the end of this lab. Hopefully it was as quick as possible, so it's not a super long video. And that should be done. Let's see if we got it. Looks like we got it. Okay, thank you guys.